What is going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I've got Margaret's 2011 Camaro back in the shop, finally, to do her interior LED lighting. Now, I've got her convertible top down right now, just for the ease of showing off what I did. I did footwell lighting, so I got one strip underneath the seat and one strip underneath the dash on both sides, and so it is controlled via a 3-channel controller, which is the Morimoto XBT Bluetooth controller. As you can see, that is all on red right now. As the 3rd channel, we have her windscreen, which she had made by somebody else, so it is laser cut acrylic and etched, and it's got a little RGB strip in it right there. So I basically integrated with that thing and then installed the strips down there and installed the controller. The main purpose of doing the XBT controller is that I can control the driver side and passenger side independently. So as you can see, I just threw the passenger side on a bit of a green, and I can put the driver side on blue. Obviously, it is fully controllable via the color wheel on the app. Let's see if I can show it off like that. Ooh, look at that, cool. And then just by selecting a different channel, so now we're on number 3, which is this guy right here. Same deal, I can control the color that this thing goes on. So it's pretty groovy. It's probably worth noting that the controller also does animation. So this is just the 7-color fade set to the front 2 channels, and then this one is going off on kind of like a purple blink right now. So animations of the strobe, fade, and color cycles are all possible with this app, and it does allow for a white, although the truth of the matter is that it is a mixed RGB white, so that's actually white, although the camera is certainly showing it more as a cool white than a pure white, but that's the way it is, man, with RGB mixed white. And all of the strips are hidden. Check that out. All right, looks pretty good. I think we're happy. And again, via the app, we can turn it off, and then voila, this is on constant power. So hopefully she won't forget to turn it off via the app, because that can drain the battery. But that's all I gotta say on this one. Pricing and product information will be in the video description. All build requests should be submitted via the form on the website. As always, thank you very much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I shall talk to you later. See ya.